In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. This is really useful if you want other tools, scripts, or services to automatically send messages into a Slack channel, whether that's alerts, notifications, or updates from your applications. Let's start at the beginning. Open your web browser and go to api.slack.com/apps. Make sure you're signed in with the Slack account that has access to the workspace you want to use. If you're in multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one, because the app and webhook will be tied to a specific workspace. Once you're on the Slack apps page, look for the option to create a new app. Click Create an app, then choose the option to create it from scratch. You'll be asked to give your app a name and select the workspace it will belong to. Pick a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense to anyone who sees it later, like monitoring alerts or CRM notifications, and then choose your workspace and confirm. After the app is created, you'll be taken to the app configuration screen. On the left-hand side, under the Features section, find and click on Incoming Webhooks. This is the feature that allows external tools to post messages into Slack. You'll see a toggle or switch labeled Activate Incoming Webhooks. Turn this on. Once it's enabled, you'll notice that Slack now lets you add webhook URLs to your workspace. Next, click the button that says Add New Webhook to Workspace. This will open a screen where Slack asks you which channel you want to post messages into. Choose the specific channel where you want the messages to appear. It could be something like a general channel or a dedicated alerts or notifications channel. When you've selected the right one, click Allow or Add Incoming Webhooks Integration, depending on what the button says in your interface. Slack will now generate a unique incoming webhook URL for that app and channel combination. This URL is important because it's the address your external tools will send data to. Copy this URL and store it somewhere safe and accessible. Treat it a bit like a password. Anyone with the URL can post messages into that channel. Finally, take that webhook URL and paste it into the settings of your third-party tool, script, or automation platform. Many tools like automation services or monitoring systems have a field specifically labeled Slack webhook or incoming webhook. Once you've saved it there, send a test message to confirm everything is working and you're all set.